What's up guys? Today's tutorial is going to be on the Z-choker catch, which looks like this. So that's the move. It's basically doing a Z-choker and at the end you catch it. Like what you normally would do is you do this, then what I always did is just doing a whip rollover and then just go on with my combo. But yeah, now that I learned this one, I never use that one anymore. So what I always do, I just do this, do the Z-choker, catch it, and then I just go on with my combo. Or if I want to end the combo, I can also do it like that. So this move is just really great move to add some style to your flipping. Yeah, it isn't really a very common move. Like I don't see a lot of people using the move. Like for example, shortstops are used a lot, rollovers, but then this one is more, I would say, more exceptional. So yeah, that's it. So let's get into it. So I will not explain how to do a Z-choker. You will have to watch a different tutorial for that one. Maybe I can make it myself, but there are tons of Z-choker tutorials, so I don't think making a new one is really useful. You can just watch another one, but I don't see a lot of tutorials on the Z-choker catch, or like when people are explaining the Z-choker, they're not including this move. So I would say making it. I thought maybe make a separate tutorial for this one. So what you do is you do just a normal twirls, you do the fan, and at the end you catch it. But then with this one, you have to do it. You have to do the fan a little bit longer than you're used to. So normally you would end over here, and then you would like maybe go on with your combo. But now, what you should do is you should do it a little bit longer. So you do like half rotation longer until you're like over here, and then you release and you catch. And the release, like the releasing of your fingers, is yeah, you have to react really fast after that, because if you act too slow, if you act too slow, so for example do this and you act too slow, then it will drop, or then will look something like this, and then you have to react really fast. So what you basically do is you kind of pulling while fanning, you kind of basically you gotta pull the knife towards yourself. So like this, that helped me a lot. So you just do this, you pull it towards yourself, and then you can catch it. So that will look like this. So you do this, pull, catch, and you kind of want to exaggerate this. So you do this and you catch, and then you catch like this. That you can exaggerate that a little bit to when you're practicing. So do this, catch, and then do this. So pull towards yourself and then catch. So pull towards yourself, catch. That helped me a lot when practicing. And then when you're pretty used to it, you can just do it like this. For the timing, you have to discover that yourself, because you cannot really explain that. I'm just giving you some tips for practicing, but really there isn't really a shortcut towards learning this move, because you know it's kind of difficult to explain how to time a move. Kind of same as the basic aerial, or like the helix aerial. There isn't really an explanation towards the timing. So yeah, you have to discover the timing yourself, even though that's like the worst. But yeah, that's the only way to actually learn this move. It took me ages, by the way, to learn this move. It was really annoying to learn this move. But some tips for practicing is, if you want to practice a lot, then you can just, for example, you can do, oh bro, I'm dropping it a lot. So you can just do this, you do the fan, so you do it, catch, then you go on. So you do your thumb roll over, you do a reverse thumb roll over, you do it like this. Thumb roll, reverse thumb roll, catch, do the move. Thumb roll, reverse thumb roll, do the move, catch. Yeah, that's how I always practice it, because when trying to learn a Balisong move, the most effective way to do it is just spamming it. And this is a really nice loop that I always did. What you also could do is you could just do this. You do this, you catch, and then you could just go on. But yeah, I don't really like the loop like that. Then there isn't really a flow to it. Like, you could do this, but what I always did is I just do this. Then you're also practicing thumb rolls if you by any chance you're learning that. But yeah, I'm just practicing this. I just practice it like this. Then there's a little bit more of a flow to watch it and just feels more smoother. But yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Hopefully you liked it one, and hopefully it helped you out. And maybe you really want to learn this move right now, because it looks really cool. It's one of my favorite moves. So yeah. Yeah, that's it basically. Sorry by the way for my absence. I had exams in that month, so I couldn't really upload, or I didn't have any feeling to upload anything. But now that my exams are over, I can just upload if I want. So yeah, that's it. Bye.